Hi, in this video we want to talk about toolbars. So this is what we get in LibreOffice 25.8.1 that was released last week. You can see the icons here. We can change the look on the icons on our installation. For example, here in LibreOffice Appearance, we can change the icons look. We can see in the background. Let's use Collabora Dark. Let's change to another style. We can see the icons up there. So you can personalize this like you want. Another style, and so on. Now I prefer this one. Another thing, by default here the icons are very big. I like to be smaller, so I apply this change here. I like to have small icons in the sidebar and also here. So let's talk about these toolbars here. The first one, it's the standard toolbar. The second one is the formatting one. For example, if I have some text, very easy with the second toolbar, we can change it. I want another color, or maybe I want bold, and I want to change the font, and so on. If I insert an image, you can see the second toolbar is changed. If I click in the text, I can format the text. If I click on the image, I can format very easy the image. If I want to rotate the image, and so on. What I want now, I want to see what can we do with this formatting toolbar. So let's right click on the first one, and we can uncheck this lock toolbar position. So we can drag the toolbar on the left. Also, if you don't like this toolbar, we can unlock and you could close it. If I don't want this this ruler, I can disable. So now I have the page until from the top and to the bottom of the application. Of course, I can disable even the status bar from here, view, and uncheck status bar, and I have more space now. And you have access to everything from the menu. This is one way you can personalize your LibreOffice. Let's move back this to the top. What we can do, for example, let's suppose I don't use this option, okay, the formatting marks. I never use this button. What I can do, right click, visible buttons, and from here disable the buttons you don't use. Very easy. So I don't use formatting marks, uncheck it from here, and you will not have it. Of course, I can lock the toolbar position again, and when I open a new file, I will have the same configuration. Or another method, we can go to View, User Interface, and from here, let's not use standard toolbar. We can use single toolbar. So now I have everything compact here, and also we can customize what we don't need. Let's go to visible buttons. If we have too many buttons here and you don't use them, for example, if I don't use increase, decrease, and so on, we can disable, and now everything fits very well on our screen. If I insert an image, the menu have changed. If I'm on the image, I have the formatting menu. If I'm on the text, I can format very easy the text. So we have seen in this video how to undock, how to lock and unlock the toolbar, the standard toolbar, the formatting toolbar. And we have seen also that formatting toolbar is changing depending on the if I have text, okay, or if I have an image. If I have an image, the icons here, the toolbar, is personalized to what we need. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more video. Thank you.